Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ishan Hassan and I'm the trainer of ACCA. I'm teaching it to the ACCA students from last 13 years. Uh, I am and I'm the founder of Accountancy. In this video, I'm gonna discuss that which papers you should study for your upcoming exam sessions, uh, the levels of the examinations, and much more detail, which will help you decide to which paper you should take next. Okay, first of all, we will discuss about the performance management, PM, formerly known as F5. See, it is a advanced paper of F2, MA Management Accounting, right? It contains the broad form knowledge from F2 as well. Plus, it has new costing techniques as well. Plus, it contains the area of performance management. Um, if you think it's totally calculation based paper, well, that's wrong. Basically it's like 50% theory, 15% calculation, and sometimes 60% theory, 40% calculation, or vice versa. Technically it has uh, 44, 45, 46% global passing rate. And as per the feedback of the students do find it difficult to pass. Okay, so these are the things which you should consider. It is technical. It is why too difficult to pass for the students? Because they do not focus on the theoretical part, right? Theoretical theoretical part is as important as the calculation part, and you need to practice it. That's why majority of the students do fail in this exam. Next is paper is taxation. Taxation is all about remembering the tax rules and calculations. Tax rules and calculations. Tax rules and calculations. Little bit theory in it. It's a lengthy paper, and you need to pass this paper. You make sure that you remember all the tax rules. If you forgot it, obviously, then you won't be able to do the calculations. So, lot of things, lot of tax rules to remember, and you need a lot of practice because it's a lengthy paper. But it's comparatively it's easy to pass paper for the students. Then let's now come to the next paper, which is finance reporting. Finance reporting F7. Well, finance reporting F7 is the advanced paper of F3. It contains the knowledge of F3 as well as it contains the new accounting standards in it. Now you have to prepare the finance single entity financial statement as well. Uh, Practically on the Excel. Now you will solve the big questions of consolidation, probably to 20 marks questions on consolidation as well. There will be a ratios. You have to write the your analysis on the ratios computations as well. Plus there will be 60% um, MCQs which can be tested from anywhere in this paper. So it's technical. Plus you need to remember all the accounting standards, so it's required. So you have to make sure that your concepts are clear, and you need to do a lot of practice as well. Next is audit assurance, F8. Well, many students do find it difficult to pass this exam. Why so? Because this paper is mostly theoretical, right? And the study technique of the student is not correct. Mostly students do not have the correct technique to study this paper. That's why they struggle to pass this exam. Basically, you need to know the all the auditing knowledge as well as the F7 knowledge. And in particularly its theory. You have to practice the questions a lot. You need to know that how to write the questions, how to draft the answers for the you know, particular areas such as audit risk, audit evidences, procedures, test of controls, all of this. So it requires lots of practice, plus you need to know exam techniques and to draft the answers. Its passing rate is sometimes below 40% and sometimes like 41, 42, 43%. That's it. Now, next is F9, financial management. Financial management contains costing as well as little bit finance. Finance, that means carry forward the knowledge from F5 plus a little bit, uh, you know, F7 stuff, little bit, not too much. And it's calculation, it's theory, sometimes it's 50-50, sometimes it's 60-40, or vice versa, right? It's lengthy as well, it's technical as well, and its passing rate is like between 40% to 47% in between. Okay. um, that's the thing, you need lots of practice in terms of calculations as well as theory as well. um, Another is next paper is SBL, Strategic Business Leader, a compulsory professional level paper. It has a passing rate of more than 50%. Little bit knowledge from F1 you need to remember, from F7, from F8, from F9 as well, but totally different paper. One complete scenario of 12 pages of 10,500 words, five requirements based on one big scenario, and you have to complete that in 4 hours. So you need to clear your concepts, and this is the first paper in which you will get 20 professional marks. So there is a technique that how to obtain those 20 professional marks as well. And further, um, you need to be clear that you need to do lots of practice, you need to clear your concepts, and then lots of practice that how to complete your exams in given 4 hours. Then we have SBR, Strategic Business Reporting, advanced paper of F7, and it is the last paper of finance reporting. Well, uh, it will contain all of the seven players syllabus plus further topics in it, right? 70% theoretical paper and 30% calculation. Further, passing rate is like 51-52%. That means 40% students who pass this exam, or F7 students who 40 to 47 plus 7% students who pass this exam will, now 50% of those will able to pass this exam. um, why students fail in it? Again, lack of practice, lack of knowing the knowledge that how to draft the answers, how to write the report, how to write the report to the CFO, how to write to the report to the press release, etc. um, Lack of knowledge of current issues, these are the concerns. Okay. So then we have AFM, Advanced Financial Management. Well, financial management was this in front of AFM. Then another thing is it is lot more technical, lot more lengthier, and difficult to pass. So, but many people can pass, do opt for this exam. Then we have Advanced Performance Management, P5. Well, not too many people do opt this paper, but it's easy to pass exam. uh, I must say, because it has more than 50%. It has SBL in it, then it has F5 in it. If you remember the F5 and you remember the SBL, then little bit exam technique you need to know to pass this exam. Okay. Then advanced taxation. Well, advanced taxation is this, the course. So for the challenge is you have to complete that course, plus you have to practice a lot of past papers to be a pro in this paper. uh, if you will able to do it, you can pass this paper very easily. Finally, we have advanced audit and assurance. Wow, one of the most difficult paper of ACC. Why so? Because you need to remember all of the SPR, all of the audit, plus you need to know the specific exam techniques and how to draft the answers is the key. Many students do fail because they have often have a lack of knowledge. If they know all the if they know all the knowledge, still they struggle to pass because they don't know the exact exam technique, which matters a lot. If you learn them all, then you can pass this exam, right? Um, so be careful while deciding your factors, while choosing your next exam. For further assistance, you can comment me in this video. Also, you can contact me on my WhatsApp as well, which is given below over here. Um, we'll see you soon in the next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.